So let's talk about UVIX. And I keep telling Kenny that he needs to stop looking at UVXY and start looking at UVIX. And you can see it in that volume. This thing has not been listed 2 years. And I know that's hard to see this volume, but this faint blue line is the stock volume. And look at the way this thing has just been steadily going up. Stock volume, for instance, on Friday, it's doing 7, 8, 10 million shares a day. Then we look at UVXY. And now, go to 1 year. The volume in UVXY, if anything, has dissipated. I know this thin blue line is really hard to see, folks, but you can actually see a general trend of the volume not going higher. And that is because UVIX is stealing UVXY's thunder. What is the difference between UVIX and UVXY? All right, so it all starts with our VIX futures curve. All right, now there is a product called VXX that these are both based off. VXX tries to be a consistent 30-day future. So with 2 days left, it's holding, call it 2 days worth of November and 28 days of December. All right, that is going to mimic a VIX 30-day future. Tomorrow it'll be 1 versus 29. Real simple. All right, now these products are all based on the VIX future. So if you want to know where UVXY is going, you want to know what's going on, I would invite you to, on your chart, just look at the VIX future as itself and not even bother with these ETPs. But you want an ETP, you want something that's trading. UVXY, that 30-day VIX future, UVXY is a levered version of that. It runs about, UVXY has greater volume, but it is being siphoned off by UVIX. In a year, UVXY is going to do about, I think, 20% of the volume that it's doing today, and UVIX is going to be doing about 100% more, maybe 200-300%. So with UVIX, all right, up until the Volpocalypse of February 2018, UVXY ran at 2x of VXX, 2 times. So if VXX was up 1%, UVXY wanted to be up 2%. VXX down 1%, UVXY wanted to be down 2%. After that, when ProShares almost went out of business, they lowered the leverage from 2 to 1.5. So now UVXY wants to be up 1.5% if VXX is up 1%. And UVXY wants to be down 1.5% if VXX is down 1%. Why? They had leverage issues. Well, now in comes UVIX. UVIX says to ProShares, hey, you guys, you don't want to do a 2x VIX? Guess what? We will. So now we have a product that tracks 2x of VXX. UVIX, if VXX is up 1%, wants to be up 2%. If VXX wants to be down 1%, UVIX wants to be down 2%. UVIX for day trading, for trading volatility, for trading vol breakouts, one way or the other, is a superior product to UVXY. In addition, the options have gotten very tight. UVIX options are about a nickel to a dime wide. There's pretty decent volume. There tends to be really decent volume the week of. From an option perspective, UVXY is still a lot more liquid than UVIX, but UVIX is getting there. All right, which is the better indicator for day trading? UVIX. Frankly, the best indicator for day trading is the VIX futures. All right, VIX futures, which are, I look at VIX futures on a 5-minute chart. As I wait for my data. So I pay attention to VIX futures on a 5-minute chart, and I watch candles. So if you want to learn to trade, this is the way to do it. All right.